Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are a first-time viewer. My name is Jenna Lee. If you like my content and like these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So today's video though, which I know that a lot of people have probably already done this video, it has to do with the new Kylie Cosmetics STORMI collection and the unboxing of it. I got the whole collection. I am currently stationed in South Korea though, so it takes me a little bit longer to get my cosmetics out here. So that's why I do my videos a little bit later. This video I am going to just be unboxing everything, and see, I got my pink Kylie box. That's the box it came in. I'll show you how it looks in there and everything. And then I'm going to make another video of me making a look with this makeup, so hopefully you guys like that. I'm not going to swatch any of the shades on the eyeshadow palette because I learned in my unboxing of my Jeffree Star Mystery Valentine's Day box that I'm not very good at swatching, so I'm not even going to attempt to do it for this one unless towards the end of this video I feel more comfortable and feel like there's not as many shades or something, so I can swatch it. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of this makeup because I have been waiting all week to do this. I got this in, I think it was a few days ago. I've been waiting to do this and I've just been really busy with work and a lot of other things. Now we are going to unbox it because I have had time to sit down and make this video. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so of course we got the Kylie on there and the Kylie Cosmetics. Let's see. Oops. You can see that. And then it's just got some foamy stuff in there to keep it all in. I'm so excited for this. I haven't even looked at any of this yet, so I mean obviously you see it on the site. She always sends out, I know I've gotten this with some other eyeshadow palettes and lipsticks that I've gotten before, but she always sends out a personalized note. Let's see if I get this. Alright, and then it says Kylie on front. Invoice. Alright, so I just grabbed the first thing. I don't know if this is really foam. I don't know what it is, but let's dive in and see what it is. Oh, I love this packaging. The sparkles on the front. I'm a big sparkle person. I like sparkles and glitter. Already see from the front of this that it is a pressed blush powder. I have not had any of the Kylie Cosmetic blushes, so I'm pretty excited about this one. It is in the shade Flutter in Love. So this is how it looks. And now we are gonna open it. Pretty nice packaging, pretty sturdy. It says STORMI on the front. It has their signature look right there. This is a really pretty shade. I'm curious to see how it looks on me. We will save that for another video. So moving on to the next item. I grabbed this because honestly it's the only yellow box in there and I actually kind of like this color. It's a very pretty yellow, and of course we've got the butterflies for STORMI. Oh, so this is one of her matte liquid lipsticks and lip liner kits. So I had a matte lipstick and lip liner. I was told, I'm not sure how 100% accurate this is, but I was told that the lip kits have definitely improved since she first came out doing them, because I had a few issues with her lip kits when she first started doing them, but I still loved them. This shade is in Give Me Butterflies, so I may swatch some of the matte liquid lipsticks. I feel like I might be able to do this a little bit better, but we'll see. Finally got this out. Oh, these are so adorable. It's so little. This is what the Give Me Butterflies shade looks like. And then we have the little lip liner to go with it. Alright, so this I will swatch just because I have a little more control with a brush. Ooh, I really like this. And it feels so, smells good too, but it feels so like silky and smooth putting it on. Do the lip liner right underneath it. Yeah, that looks awesome. Well, hopefully you can see that. That shade looks so nice. Now we're gonna move on to, I see another lip kit, so we're gonna go ahead and do that one. This is in the shade Head in the Clouds. So I'm very curious what this looks like. Almost similar, I say similar, but they're both like a pink color or shade. This one's darker. Oh yeah, this feels so nice again. They always smell so good. Oh yeah, so this might be like a brighter shade. Actually, I feel like that shade looks a lot brighter on camera than what it does in person, but yeah, not too bad. I like that shade a lot too. Because I don't really wear a whole lot of lipstick, so we'll see. Here is the mini high gloss collection, so this isn't a matte one. I love how she did the Valentine's Day gift type thing where you could put it to a Valentine. That is really awesome. Oh, there are a lot of these. So there's 6 in there. We're just gonna take them all out. Oh, these are so pretty. So this shade, okay, My Little Aquaries. This one's really pretty. That is that one. I just won't swatch these ones, but they are very pretty, very glossy, and they smell good too. Alright, so the next one is Baby Love. I really like this one too. Actually. Alright, so this is Baby Love. That's a really pretty color too. Alright, so the next one I'm going to show you is Sweet Dream. This one's very pretty too. It's a very pretty one. Alright, so I just showed you Sweet Dream. Oh, these keep rolling everywhere. So now I'm going to show you Little Sunshine. I like that because the cap is yellow too, and it's like in yellow writing. So Little Sunshine sounds really good. It's a very like peachy color. I like that. Alright, so the last two are Deepest Love and Stormaloo. I like that. Oh, that looks really good. So this one is Deepest Love and this one is Stormaloo. You can really see the like glitter, the Stormaloo. I really like that. I really like those ones a lot too, so I'm very curious how to see how those look as well. This is Deepest Love. Whoa. That has a bit of a tint to it. I think if I maybe actually had makeup on, it would probably look better. I did forget to mention earlier that I do have my eyebrows on because I'm going to shoot a video after this. Basically doing a little makeup look with this collection. Hopefully it turns out alright, and if you like this video then hopefully you'll check out the other video too of me doing the look. I see another matte lipstick lip kit in here, so I'm pretty excited about that. Unless I just didn't notice or didn't get the memo, it seems more oriented around lip stuff, which I mean Kylie came out with the lip kits first and then started getting into the other makeup and face care and everything, so I'm not mad at it though because I love her lip kits. And this one is just called Stormy. I really like this. This will probably be my favorite one out of the lip kits because I like the more peachy and nude natural shades. And then I will attempt to swatch this one. Oh yes, I love this one. It is so pretty and I hope it looks just as pretty on me. Because again, I don't wear a lot of lipsticks or anything like that, so we'll see. that is Stormy. And I actually think it looks a little more, oh, I just got it everywhere. I think it looks a little more orange on camera. Maybe it's the lighting, I don't know. It's definitely more of a like peachy brown. I wouldn't even say brown, but like peachy color. Let's open up the very last thing in this kit. So this came with 3 lip kits, so 3 matte lipsticks and 3 lip liners, 6 of the high gloss, 1 blush palette, not a palette because it's not a palette, 1 blush thing, I don't know what to call it. And then it came with a pressed powder palette. The shades in here are 443, Butterfly Babe, Perfect Storm, Angel and Earth, Stormy Weather, Love Without Limits, Stormy World, Baby Girl, and Forever Thing. So let's take a look at these. I am very excited. Oh, the packaging for this one, I love it. I mean, it's basically the same thing that all these had, except for there's like, yeah, so like clouds on it too. It looks awesome. I really like it. Alright, I'll give you the first look at it. Oh, that is beautiful. I cannot wait to make a look with this. I actually have another palette, and if I'm not mistaken, in the other like mini palette that I have from Kylie, she actually doesn't have the shades names printed inside, but in this one she does. So that's really nice because that's one of the only complaints that I had about the other palette that I had, because I never knew what the name of the shade is, and then I'd like look on the back and I'd be like, oh, is it this one? And then I'm like, no, I don't think that's right, so could be mistaken, but I'm going to check. So this is a really nice palette as well. I really liked using this one, but see, the shades names aren't in there. So that was my only complaint, if you will, with that palette, because I like to know what the shade's called that I'm using. When I get back to the States, I'm going to start trying to get more palettes and everything, and just makeup in general, and trying to perfect my makeup skills. So we'll see how it goes. But hopefully I will get to put out some more content that doesn't necessarily completely revolve around makeup once I get back. It's just been a little bit harder here. If you're on my channel because you love the makeup videos I do, don't worry, I will try to continue to do those as well. But I also want to add more content that doesn't revolve around makeup into my YouTube channel as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, because I didn't see any of this beforehand and I've just been dying to open all of this up and see what's inside and see how the colors or shades or whatever you want to call them. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments below. I'd love to hear from people. Love to hear any ideas that anyone has for future videos for me. Again, I do have a lot of ideas that I would like to put into play and start doing and putting on my YouTube channel as well. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, night, week, whatever time it is for you. I will see you guys all later. Bye!